Nobody likes boring. I'm talking about your dating life and also your house. I'm gonna show you how to have the right interest to sell your house fast and for more money. This is Setting the Stage. Susan from Milwaukee sent us a photo of her boring and bland kitchen. She's asking if there's any way to make a galley kitchen look beautiful. There definitely is. I'm gonna show you a virtual makeover of your space, but first, I'm gonna tour you through a house that has some similar issues.
So this is a house that has had a little bit of work done, but not a lot. Not the best first impression when I see your front closet is shorter than I am. This wall should have been gone to give you a nice big open flow. You want to maximize the feel of the space since every level in a split level is a little bit smaller. Right now they have 3 couches, quite a large size for each of them. And I know not everyone has a budget to renovate or to pay to lease furniture to stage. I know that can be tough, but one thing you can do is declutter. Get pieces out of the house and just have a more minimalistic look. Because this wall is here, you now have a very cramped kitchen and eat-in area. This is the closet for the front entry down here, so there's no storage under here. So you're getting 3 sets of cabinets in this kitchen. Your doors are hanging off as well. You can't have a house that you're listing with doors hanging off that don't even close. That's a simple fix. Ah, here it is. This is where they spent all their money. And they spent it putting in a bidet, painting out the vanity, the light fixture, that's all great. The mirror, it's even great in here. But a bidet? I would not have spent the money putting that in. Mind you, I did hear a bidet a day keeps the, never mind. This is a problem, staging a room. You have the door, hits the bed. You have a room this size, you could have the bed in the opposite room. When you walk into a room, you should be able to see the bed, you shouldn't be hitting the bed. So that desk should have been placed over on this side because it's the smaller wall for the smaller desk. One problem though is on the listing sheet, they say that this is a 6-bedroom home. But the problem is, down in the basement, the 2 bedrooms there, they're not even big enough to fit a bed. All right, this is the basement bonus area. You have to remember, if you're bragging about something on a listing, it needs to actually make sense when people come to it. I don't know what you would do in this space. You have a bit of extra storage. It almost feels like a mudroom. These are your 2 bonus bedrooms that makes it a 6-bedroom home. And when you say that, all families are gonna be excited because they have so many bedrooms. But then when you step inside here, this bedroom is not big enough to fit a bed. So there's another bedroom on this level and a bathroom here. This is a 3-piece with a shower. The problem though is, this toilet, I can't even fit. No problem. Very comfortable, very cozy. I kind of love it when the walls are hugging me while I'm using the bathroom. It's comforting. This bathroom is definitely an afterthought. You don't have enough space to sit comfortably on the toilet. The shower is pretty narrow as well, and there's no storage for the vanity or the sink. You have to think of how people are gonna use the space. This bathroom was a definite afterthought. I honestly believe in not talking things up in a listing too much, because if you oversell the story in a listing, and then people walk into the house and they're not happy with it, all you're doing is setting yourself up for failure.
As you can see from this living room, too many couches, it's dark, it's just simply boring. With a coat of paint, some artwork, and removing some bulky couches, you now have a nice open flow from your living space into your dining room. Now, Susan, back to your kitchen. It feels dated, it feels closed in, the cabinets are old, and overall it just has a beige-brown tone. Let's freshen things up. Imagine having a light color on the walls, new appliances, some taller cabinets that go all the way up to the ceiling, and some new floors throughout. Now that's an impressive galley kitchen.